Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. I want to start by saying that I know I haven't been posting on this channel and I am so sorry about that. This was like kind of an unintentional break that I took, which to be honest has really helped me because now I'm back with a bunch of new ideas and I'm going to be doing good old DIY videos like I used to. So yeah, I'm sorry that I haven't been posting, but I was actually posting every single week on my second channel. And I feel like a lot of you guys don't know that I have a second channel, but if you want to check it out, the link is always in the description box. As I said, I am back and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some really cute and easy DIY school supplies. I had so much fun filming this video because it's been a while since I've done a DIY video like this, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you do enjoy the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. And now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, for the first DIY, I'm going to be making a Starbucks sharpener. So here I have a container that I bought from Etsy. You can find these containers very easily online. And what I'm going to do is take my hot glue gun and using the heat from it, I'm going to melt a hole into the container. And I'm doing this because I need a place for the sharpener. So I'm basically melting the plastic. This is super easy and simple to do. Once that's done, you can go ahead and start decorating your container. So you can do this however you like. I want this to kind of look like a unicorn frappuccino. So I am using purple and pink for the container. By the way, if you don't have a container like this, you can use like a shot glass from the dollar store. And for the lid, you can just make that using clay. I've actually done that in a video before and I'll leave the link for it in the description box. But I know that everyone doesn't probably have this container, so you can always use a shot glass for this DIY. I'm gonna pop the Starbucks logo on top and then I'm going to add a cute face. Once you're done decorating the container, you want to take a sharpener and you want to glue it inside the container. And I'm using hot glue for this. I also decided to add a little horn on top. I made this using polymer clay. And here is the unicorn frappuccino sharpener all completed. For the second DIY, I'm going to be making a Narwhal Eraser. And of course, you are going to need eraser making clay for this DIY, which you can easily find on Amazon or at Michael's. I have a blue ball of clay here, and I'm going to start pinching one end to form the tail. Once you're happy with the shape, you want to make the horn. So I have some yellow clay here that I'm going to roll out. Then I'm going to take it and kind of twist two pieces together so that I can kind of give the horn some dimension. I'm going to stick the horn on top. Now for the face, I'm gonna keep this very simple. I took some black clay and I rolled it out very thinly, and I'm kind of making a closed eye. And then to finish it off, I added like two little hearts at the side. This is going to be a pencil topper, so I am going to make a hole. And once that's done, you want to let this bake in the oven according to the instructions on the packaging. Once it's out of the oven, you can go ahead and glue this onto your pencil. And here is the completed Narwhal Eraser. I am so happy with the way this turned out. It kind of looks like something you would buy. Like, yeah, I don't know. I just really like the way this one turned out. For the third DIY, I'm going to be making a unicorn notebook. So here I have a very boring composition notebook, and what I'm going to do is paint it using some wet acrylic paint. You will need to do about 3 to 4 coats of the paint, so be very patient when you're doing this. Now using some pink acrylic paint, I'm going to make the hair for the unicorn. So I'm kind of making, I don't know how to describe the shape to be very honest with you, but you can like kind of see what I'm doing. Now we need to add the horn for the unicorn. So here I have some glitter foam and I'm going to cut a horn. The best thing about this is that it is adhesive, so I'm gonna peel off the back and stick it in place. Now to make the face, I have some black acrylic paint and I'm going to make a set of closed eyes and then I'm gonna add a smile. I also made the ears by cutting 2 triangles of the glitter foam. And here is the unicorn inspired notebook all completed. It's so cute and so easy to make. For the fourth and final DIY, I'm going to be making a pencil case. So here I have some felt that I've folded in half. This is a zipper that I have. You can find these zippers from any craft store. You can also find it from Amazon. So I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to put some hot glue on the zipper. And then I'm going to put the felt on top. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other edge of the fabric. Once you've glued the zipper in place, you want to open it up and flip it inside out. Again, using hot glue, you want to close down the sides of the pencil case. I feel like I shouldn't really be talking during this part because it's easier to see what I'm doing because I'm not the greatest at describing things. There was quite a bit of extra fabric on the side here, so I went ahead and I cut it off. And now I'm going to flip it inside out. And there is the pencil case. Once you have the base of your pencil case, you can make any design that you want. I am going to be making a rainbow. And here is the completed rainbow pencil case. And that is pretty much it for this video. I had so much fun filming it and I'm in love with all of the DIYs, but you guys should let me know in a comment which DIY was your favorite. I hope that you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you all so much and I will see you in my next one.